I replaced my heavy upright vacuum with a lightweight stick vacuum, and here is why. We'll be comparing power, worth, and overall best choice. The lightweight stick is about 5.1 pounds, offering a balanced center of gravity and low strain. Uprights, at 16.0 pounds or more, increase compressive load on the lumbar spine by 38%, resulting in high strain. Maneuverability and workflow are key. The stick vacuum's zero-step bin emptying and on-the-fly mode switching can cut cleaning time by nearly 20%. The upright requires frequent stopping to switch outlets and cumbersome adjustments, which leads to high cognitive friction. The lightweight stick offers 40 to 60 minutes of cordless freedom, with some energy loss due to DC-DC conversion and thermal throttling. The heavy upright offers unlimited AC continuous power and stable voltage, ideal for large homes. Regarding suction, the stick vacuum uses a brushless motor, achieving up to 90% efficiency with smart suction that adjusts to the floor type. The heavy upright, however, provides high raw air watts, but creates heat waste due to brushed motors. On hardwood floors, the stick vacuum's fluffy optic lasers reveal invisible dust, ensuring 99% debris pickup and polishing the wood. The upright's stiff bristles can scratch wood, and thick bumpers hinder edge cleaning, leading to a snowplow effect on large debris. For carpet cleaning, the stick excels on surface-level low-pile carpets, achieving 94% cleanup. The upright, with its heavy base and high torque, is unmatched on deep shag, effectively ripping out embedded dirt. In the fur battle, the stick vacuum features mini-motorized anti-tangle heads that automatically shred and channel long hair. The upright has powerful raw suction, but the brush roll often requires manual scissor cutting to clean. Filtration and allergy safety favor the stick vacuum, with 100% sealed HEPA integrity and minimal leakage. The upright, especially non-premium models, may lack fully sealed airflow, resulting in high risk for allergy sufferers. For dust bin capacity, the stick has small bins, requiring frequent emptying, but often features hygienic ejection. The upright boasts a massive capacity for cleaning the whole house without stopping. Noise levels differ. The stick is generally high-pitched at 84 dBA, causing fatigue in small spaces. The upright offers a lower-pitched, rumbling hum at 75 dBA and often includes acoustic dampening. The stick integrates smart tech like real-time dust sizing, AI auto-suction, and exact battery countdown. The upright typically relies on manual adjustments and offers zero digital feedback or telemetry. In versatility, the stick vacuum is a clear winner, converting instantly to a handheld, with multiple tools included. The floor-bound upright has a cumbersome stretch hose and is prone to tipping. Over a 10-year span, the stick has a higher initial cost and guaranteed battery replacement needs. The upright has a lower upfront cost and a longer operational lifespan, with minimal, cheap maintenance. The lightweight stick is the daily optimizer, best for condos and quick cleanups, offering convenience and technology. The heavy upright is the deep cleaner, ideal for large homes with shag carpets, providing power and durability. Choose what best suits your home.